we move and I read about the proceedings, etc., I would like to mention few things. First of all the participants, you all are requested to keep your mobiles switched off or hand it to your parents or guardians, whoever has come. Secondly, if you all are carrying any books, it should not be with you. If you all are carrying any books with you, please deposit it. Maybe you can deposit here in the vacant seats here, or if you have your parents or guardians, you can hand it over to them. And all the teams, please keep a gap between each teams. And we request you not to discuss the answers with your other partners of the school, other school, okay? You all will discuss only with your partners, not from the other school. So now, I would now like to call upon the senior members of Cycle Brand Agarbatis, Dipayan Das, Mr. Anik Banerjee, Mr. Ditu Das, Mr. Ronnie, Mr. Simanta Datta, to kindly come up onto the stage and light the inaugural lamp, please.
सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा जय जय शुभकर विनायक श्रीकाणि भागवर सिद्धि विनायक जय जय शुभकर विनायक श्रीकाणि भागवर सिद्धि विनायक
Thank you. May I now request Mr. Dipayan Das to speak a few words about the Cycle Heritage Quiz, please.
Thank you, Dimple. Today, we got a august presence of our distinguished guests, the teachers, the guardians, and my beloved young friends across Northeast Guwahati. आपने लोकेर केने लागे सी? मैं अखमिया भालेक ना जानो अनुग्रह करी मोक इंग्लिश तो कबोली अनुमति दियोक Can I? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dimple, is it okay?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. See, daily life, so many decisions we take, and those decisions are driven by our senses. Visual senses, auditory senses, these are the common senses. We use it quite frequently. But research shows that our smelling senses actually drive 70% of our decision making. And Cycle Pure Agarbatis works with those smelling senses for last 6 to 6 years. Some smell we feel good about, we call it fragrance. Some smell we didn't like about, we call it odor, bad odor. But scientifically, obviously that there is a dictionary in our hypothalamus, in the brain, and that somehow communicates that which is a good smell for you, which is not a good smell for you. And which may be a good smell for somebody may not be a good smell for someone else. So this dictionary differs person to person. In this kind of context, making common fragrances which is liked by all is indeed a big challenge. And Cycle Pure Agarbatti is doing it for 51 odd countries across the globe for last 66 years. And that makes us humble and simple brand of agarbattis which we are servicing for last 66 years. I don't want to carry forward this with words. If you permit us, we want to show us a small audio-visual clip. Please, Titash, thank you. Dimple.
A great legacy began with a spark of inspiration in one man, Sri N. Rangarao. He believed quality backed by values will always succeed. Sri N. Rangarao's philosophy proved true with the inception of N. Rangarao and Sons. It all began in Mysore, where the humble cycle inspired his first venture. Cycle is the purest form of simplicity. It represents value for money for everyone, irrespective of race, color, or social standing. It is fueled by human energy and faith. And most significantly, it is a symbol of freedom. Cycle Pure Agarbattis, a venture that offered strength, faith, and peace to millions. Sri N. Rangarao's ideals have been passed on from generation to generation. Since inception, the women in the family have also played a vital role in the intricate and sensitive business of incense sticks. It is much to their credit that Cycle Pure Agarbattis has earned the hearts of thousands of patrons. Over time, it was his 4 pillars of progress, namely customer satisfaction, originality, honesty, and hard work that formed the stronghold of his empire, taking the group and its stakeholders to new heights. But at the end, he taught the world one very valuable lesson: innovation and quality, backed by values for the benefit of customers, will always succeed.
When we were of your age, one of our, I remember, one of our key icon whom we wanted to be was Diego Maradona. Now probably that place has been taken by either Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, whoever. I'm talking about soccer because now soccer is going on. This is the most contemporary thing, right? So if suppose in this kind of one occasion, there is a chance that Diego Maradona would arrive today, what we would have done is we would have been waited to take his autograph. If today we say that yes, Cristiano Ronaldo is going to come here in this quiz, what you are going to do? Want to take his autograph or something else? It's not coming. Don't get tensed, he's not coming. You know that. But I'm saying if he comes, would you take autograph or would you have done something else with him? Sorry? You'd have taken a selfie with him, right? So autograph has been taken off by selfie. time has moved on. In that particular time, doing a quiz with heritage is not cool, right? What do you think? But you have gathered in such a big number. You have came to participate in quiz which is talking about heritage. So why a quiz on heritage? Okay, let's answer that first. You know, this, you all know actually that as economy progresses, we are all knowing about the geographical boundaries are breaking down and economies are getting liberated, countries getting globalized. So what's happening actually in this globalized world? How will you distinguish India? What distinguish India or differentiate India from its world? What do you normally say? Sorry? Now, heritage is a very direct answer. Let us arrive at it. I think normally what we say is the culture, right? Indian culture is what differentiates the country from the globalized world. Now, this culture is actually deep-rooted in something else, which is called values. What is this values? If we take an example, we all do one puja, which is across India very common, known as Lakshmi Puja, right? Now, why we worship Lakshmi? Because she is the goddess of wealth. Everybody wants to accumulate or acquire or earn wealth. Let's say earn wealth. And that's why we worship Lakshmi. But earning wealth and worshipping Lakshmi, is it completely synonymous? Is it? Is there any difference between these two? Probably the difference lies in process. In worshipping Lakshmi, we earn the wealth only in the honest way. But earning wealth can be in so many different ways. It may not be honest sometime. So this honest part is actually the values. That values which is hidden in worshipping Lakshmi. So our heritage tells us that yes, we have to earn wealth, but we have to earn it in the honest way. So worship Lakshmi. Now these values, we in Cycle Pure Agarbattis went back and seen several times. Slowly in our process, in our experience, in our learning, we have gathered our values as an organization. We tell this in 3 words. We are simple, we are pure, we are free, and hence we are cycle. So these 3 is the values of cycle, which forms the value system of Cycle Pure Agarbattis. With this cycle heritage quiz, we hope that all of you will get a chance to look back your value system, your origins. And when you do that, you may redefine, refine, or even reinvent your value system as an individual, which may form the common values of all. And that will become the national values of the country. That's why this quiz, Cycle Heritage Quiz. Let's begin. Thank you.
আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ হৈছে সকলোৰে অকমান ভয়ও লাগিছে হয়নে সকলোৱে যাৰ যাৰ মোবাইল আছিলে সকলোৱে বন্ধ কৰিলে নে কিতাপবোৰ তোমালোকৰ ওচৰৰ পৰা আঁতৰাই থৈছানে থৈছা তেনেহলে let me call the quiz master right the quiz master, may I kindly call Mr. Titash Banerjee to please come up onto the stage. Your quiz master, he is from Gyan Space, and the Gyan Space is an organization which offers a variety of knowledge solutions to its clients, including live quizzes, content for television shows, newspapers, science, technology workshop, knowledge management workshops, and many, many things. We are very, very proud to have and honored to have Titash Banerjee here for quizzing you all here in Guwahati as the quiz master. Can we hear a big round of applause from all of you? Thank you. So, over to you.
Thank you so much, Dimple. Good morning, Guwahati. Can I have a louder good morning, please? Great. So keep away those glum expressions. I want smiles on each one of you. It's going to be a very exciting quiz. I promise you the questions are easy. A lot of them are based on your local heritage. I'm sure there's going to be very, very high scoring in this prelims. Guwahati is a quizzing center, very upcoming quizzing center. I came here in the month of October last year as a participant, not as a quiz master, in probably the biggest sports quiz which is held in India, which is Sports Quest. And it was held at this very auditorium. And again, the auditorium was jam-packed, and we had some great participants from Guwahati itself. So please give a big round of applause for yourselves. Great. So without further ado, let's move on to the rules.
Yes. First, I would like to tell you all, have you all filled up your registration forms? You all have deposited your registration forms? Right. Now, I think you all are given 2 answer sheets, right? You have 2. We have given 2 because if suppose one of your papers